Welcome back to the woods. I'm Floyd and you're watching Green Valley Outdoors. So what I've got in store for you today is my 750 subscriber giveaway. More T's and C's to that, and what you can win and how to enter it will be later on in this video. Firstly, I would like to just mention Andrew Price on his YouTube channel. He is offering a 15% discount code for the Bushcraft show, which is at the end of this month. Off the top of my head, I cannot remember the dates. It's the last weekend, there's a bank holiday weekend of May month. I'll put the dates here. Magique. The Bushcraft show itself is in Lutterworth, Leicester way I think it is. And it's a brilliant place for people like us and like-minded people, or if you don't know what it's all about, to go there. Just you can buy a day ticket and just spend the day there. Loads of food, a few beers, and a lot of shops, outdoorsy types of shops to sink your teeth into. First things first, I need to get a brew on. I've got a brand new fire pit. Well, not brand new, I've uplifted it, give it a bit of a raise and a beautiful sand finish. So I'm going to have my first fire on that, get the kettle on, and then we'll talk about how you can enter my 750 subscriber giveaway. So much higher, so much higher. So let's get it on. Weather's drying out nicely. Some bit of birch here. Get some birch on. Bit of prep, as you can see. Nothing too sexual though. Just going to scrape some Ferrocerium into that to aid it. And then now we are flame after about 6 attempts. Trying to aid it. Some of this is slightly damp. Just gonna help it out, encourage it. That's the stuff. Dirt lush, love a cup of tea, me. So, why are you here? vast majority you will be watching this, not just for my beautiful chubby looks, is to be entering the 750 giveaway. So to be in for your chance to win, you need to be a subscriber. You also need to like this video and then comment below as per usual, GVO done. And that's it. That'd be you entered. If you could share this video, it'd mean a world to me. It's not an extra thing for you, but it just spreads the love for me a bit more out there. So what will you win? What you'll be in for the chance for winning is a £20 of camping voucher of your choice. This is open to the globe, so anyone on Mars who's watching this could be in for the chance to win £20 voucher of your choice in a camping shop of some form. I'll be announcing the winner, I think, the 31st of May. So that's when as soon as just double check, Friday the 31st of May, I'll be announcing the winner. So that day it will be closed, and I'll announce the winner. It's a short video, probably in my kitchen again. I'll film the random comment picker like I normally do, and from there I'll give you instruction how we're going to get in comms with each other. Apart from that, that's it. If I just run it through you again: like, subscribe, comment GVO done, and you're entered. To the vast majority of you that's subscribed, if I've pestered you in the last couple of weeks to come and join me from my Facebook friends, I apologise, if you know, but it is what it is. I'm trying to hit the 1,000, and I know I could draw a fair few in, and I did, and I thank you all for joining. I'd like to thank all my subscribers as a whole. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for viewing and doing what you do. If you'd like to support the channel in any way, I've got Buy Me a Coffee still. The app link will be below. Or if you want to do something slightly different, you're now able to join my channel personally for £2.99 a month subscription. That's next to the subscribe button on my page now. Don't have to. I'm not really interested in that. It's just something that's there, which I'm trying to utilise if you fancy support my channel in that manner. To that end, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for all your support. You've been watching Green Valley Outdoors, and I'll catch you at the Bushcraft show.